crunchy, crispy Lechon Kawali, a Filipino favorite. Hey everyone, I'm Mimi. Today we're making Lechon Kawali. It's a super yummy Filipino dish. Imagine this, crispy pork belly that's so good, you'll want to eat it every day. Lechon Kawali is perfect for parties. Everyone loves it. It's crunchy, it's savory, and it's a taste of the Philippines. Ready to cook? Let's go! Getting ready. What you need for a Lechon Kawali feast. First, let's gather our ingredients. This is the most crucial step to ensure everything is ready and within reach. For the Lechon Kawali, you'll need pork belly, the star of the show. Make sure it's fresh and has a good balance of meat and fat. Salt and pepper to make those flavors pop. Season generously to bring out the best in the pork. Garlic, because everything's better with garlic. Chop it finely to release all those wonderful aromas. Bay leaves for a little extra something special. They add a subtle depth of flavor that's hard to beat. Oil for frying. We want that pork belly nice and crispy. Use a high smoke point oil like vegetable or canola. Now for our awesome sauces, these will take your Lechon Kawali to the next level. Orange banana sauce, sweet and tangy. It's like a party in your mouth. Perfect for adding a fruity twist. Hoisin sauce, a classic Asian flavor that's perfect with pork. Its rich savory taste complements the crispy pork belly. Peanut butter sauce, a little nutty, a little sweet, and totally irresistible. This unique sauce will surprise your taste buds. Got everything? Great! Let's move on to the fun part, cooking. Get ready to transform these ingredients into a mouth-watering feast. Frying time. Making the pork belly super crispy. Today, we're going to show you how to achieve that perfect, mouth-watering crispiness on your pork belly. Alright, let's get that pork belly crispy. It's all about the right preparation and technique. First, boil the pork belly with garlic, salt, pepper, and bay leaves. This step is crucial as it infuses the meat with flavor and ensures it cooks evenly. This will make it super tender. The boiling process breaks down the fat and connective tissues, making the pork belly soft and juicy. Once it's cool, pat it dry. Removing excess moisture is key to achieving that crispy texture. We want that skin extra dry for maximum crispiness. Any moisture left will cause the oil to splatter and prevent the skin from crisping up properly. Now, the fun part, frying. This is where the magic happens. Heat your oil and carefully place the pork belly in. Make sure the oil is hot enough to start frying immediately. Fry until it turns golden brown and super crispy. Keep an eye on it to avoid burning. This takes a little time, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Patience is key to achieving that perfect crunch. See that beautiful golden color? That's what we want. It indicates that the pork belly is perfectly fried. Now take it out and let it rest. This allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite deliciously tender and crispy. Sauce surprise. 3 dips that will make you shout masa rap. While the Lechon Kawali rests, let's make our sauces. Mix together banana ketchup, orange juice, and a pinch of sugar. That's it. Combine hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and a little bit of water. Easy peasy. Mix peanut butter, soy sauce, vinegar, and a touch of sugar. You can add some chili flakes for a little kick. See? Making sauces is fun and easy. Lechon Kawali time. Dig in and enjoy. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The table is set, the aroma is irresistible, and it's time to savor every bite. Our Lechon Kawali is ready. Look at that crispy skin and tender meat. It's a feast for the eyes and the palate. Slice it up and arrange it on a plate. Make sure each piece showcases that perfect balance of crunch and juiciness. Don't forget your amazing sauces. Each one adds a unique flavor that complements the Lechon Kawali beautifully. You can enjoy Lechon Kawali with rice. The rice soaks up all the delicious juices, making every bite even more satisfying. It's the perfect comfort food. Whether you're having a quiet dinner at home or a festive gathering, Lechon Kawali brings warmth and joy. And don't be afraid to try all the sauces. Experimenting with different flavors can make your meal even more exciting. They each bring something special to the table. From sweet to spicy, there's a sauce for every palate. So there you have it. Lechon Kawali with 3 incredible sauces. It's a dish that's not only delicious but also visually stunning. It's a dish that's sure to impress your friends and family. Gather everyone around the table and share the joy of this amazing meal. Remember, cooking should be fun. Enjoy the process and don't stress about perfection. The joy is in the journey. So put on your apron, get creative with the sauces, and enjoy the deliciousness of Lechon Kawali. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience to be savored and shared. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below so we can feel you all. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this adventure, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic story. Your support means the world to me. I've got more awesome content coming your way. Stay tuned for more adventures, tips, and fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your enthusiasm keeps me going. Jecht DIY video signing off. Take care, everyone.